Hi, welcome to Freedom Podcasting, the course. In this course, you will learn everything that you need to know about podcasting, from how to make great recordings, to how to audio engineer those recordings, and finally, how to set them up into a distribution feed so that they can go out to the world. My name is Ian, and I will be leading you through this course. I began in podcast production back in 2012. I won a competitive internship where I was able to learn how to podcast from one of the world-class podcasters at the time. After working with this mentor for 3 months, we got 1 year's worth of work done. And so I just started snowballing clients. I started working with more and more people, and before long, we had a whole podcast production business. In this course, I'm basically going to teach the whole project and the whole podcast production process that we use in our company. We designed this course for web developers who are seeking to add another skill to their arsenal. We designed this course for entrepreneurs who are looking for a way to expand and engage their audience in a more authentic way. We designed this course for entrepreneurs who are seeking to improve their sales funnel, because the podcasting has an incredible ability to reach high numbers of people with very low cost. As we go through this course, we're going to make some recordings, we're going to engineer those recordings, we're going to set up the distribution system, and then we'll actually submit feeds so you'll actually see your podcast on platforms like iTunes and Stitcher. This is the exact same system that we've used to produce world-class shows like The Tim Ferriss Show, School of Greatness with Lewis Howes, Glambition Radio, Ali Brown, Shop Talk Radio with Nick Onken, and the list goes on and on. You can see a whole list at freedompodcasting.com. The cool thing about this process is that it always produces predictable results. As you run through the process, you'll see that there's specific sort of fail-safe points so that if you make a mistake, they'll be covered over by different levels of the system. So with this process, you'll have predictable results that you can bet your reputation on. With this method, you can produce your own podcast. You can do podcasts for clients, or you could even podcast if you're in a large organization. You could use these systems to create more of a company culture or this sort of thing. The truth is that understanding this technology will help you in a wide range of capacities when it comes to web development and audio engineering. Okay, so there are no enrollment requirements. Anyone can take this course, and because it's so granular in a step-by-step way, we could take somebody who is a complete beginner all the way to being a published podcaster. That being said, a very important thing is that you're an action taker, because you can quite easily go through the entire course and learn a lot of skills, but the actual taking action of making your recordings and then engineering them and then putting them out onto iTunes and Stitcher will make it so you actually have results-based learning environment, and that's what we're here to produce. I designed this course so that it's the minimum effective dose of understanding the technology. You might not become a world-class audio engineer, but you do learn the skills that you need to produce world-class podcasts. Also, you won't have an intimate understanding of RSS technology, but you will be able to build a podcast RSS feed that fulfills the requirements of iTunes or Stitcher. So this course is also designed to be fun and actionable, so I think you're going to have a good time in the course. Feel free to take a look through the description, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks very much.